His name Kerem Bürsin and her name Hande Doğandemir. His nickname Kerem and her nickname Hande. His date of birth is 4 June 1987 and her date of birth is 22 November 1985. His nationality is Turkish and her nationality is also Turkish. His zodiac sign Gemini and her zodiac sign Sagittarius. His present age is 34 years old and her present age is 36 years old. His height is 5 feet and 11 inches tall. Her height is 5 feet and 7 inches tall. His weight is 75 kg. Her weight is 55 kg. His marital status is unmarried and her marital status is also unmarried. His affairs Hande Archel and her affairs single. His net worth is $1 to $10 million and her net worth is $1 million.